Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh. Mm-hmm. What's that? Oh, don't go into there. Don't go into there. Hey, you're biting me. That's not nice. Oh my gosh, you got me. Okay. Oh, you got me. You got Snoopy.
So many friends. Oh!
Alright. Nice try, buddy. Okay, you almost escaped. Okay.
He's trying to pounce on the other dogs. Good boy. And came when I called him. Huh, Derry? Yeah, you did. Yeah, hi, Derry. Hi. Yeah, you know my voice, I think. Good boy. Look at that tail wag. Oh my goodness, what a personality. What do you think, Gracie? Shy? I'm no longer concerned about him going under the furniture.
Oh, because he's responding to you?
Well, no, just I don't think he has a desire to like burrow under the furniture, and he'd barely fit under this, so there's no reason.
Up.